Notification preferences can easily be managed in your WhatsApp setting. iPhone will automatically display a push notification to alert you in incoming messages. iPhone iOS app can provide 3 types of notification. First, sound, alert and badge. To make the change your notification preference, open your WhatsApp and then tab settings is at bottom right, and then tab notifications is the 5th option. Review that show notifications is enabled for messages and group notification. If you block or disable notification for messages, then first section message notification turn off toggle. If you want to enable group notification, disable or enable, then click is the green toggle groups notification section. Now your notifications are blocked on your WhatsApp. Make sure you want to notification setting is turned on in both your WhatsApp and iPhone setting. If you are verified that your notification settings are correct and you are still not receiving notification, this is likely is an issue with your connection or iOS. You want to enable again these notifications, then go to notification section and on message notifications and group notifications.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.